with a quiet glow, slipping softly over the ridge below. In the fresh green air, a new day slowly comes to life. All the weight I carry, treasures of the past, blown away by the wind at last. Life's just like the mountain sky, clear then clouds drift by. Go ahead, fill my lungs with the scent of earth, walking on, searching for the signs ahead. Something higher's calling me, so I keep moving on. Step by step along this trail, I won't turn around again. Yesterday is far behind, already left beyond the bend. Tie my boots and feel my heart beating steady in my chest. With the wind of a brand new season, I just follow what's ahead. I don't know how far the goal may be, but the path I've walked won't lie to me. As long as I don't lose my way, I know I'll reach it someday. As the years keep passing by, there's more I find I cannot do. But even so, this pace is mine, and it feels enough, it's true. Step into the present now, toward a ridge in warming light, to the quiet world beyond. I keep moving on, through the wind and over storm. I don't need anything more, just one step, strong and sure. On this mountain trail I walk, I'll stay true to who I am, feeling how wide the sky can be. Climbing through today, into tomorrow. Go ahead.静かに溶ける夕雪、柔らかな道、冬の眠りから覚めた景色、そっと息を弾ませる。始まりの日差しが胸の奥を温め、揺れる光に包まれ、未来の輪郭が浮かぶ。森を抜ける春風がまだ見ぬ景色を連れてくる。進む明日を柔らかく照らす山桜、静かに開く胸の奥の道しるべ。 Wind carries my heartbeat into the open sky. Every step turns the road ahead into a new rise. 春の空を抜ければ息は軽くなる。伸ばした手の先には柔らかな空。芽吹く色が揺れてそっと動く心。昨日よりずっと軽くなる。透き通る鼓動、雲間の光が 足元まで染め拾った希望が静かに背中を押す。歩幅はまだ不揃いでも一歩で景色は変わる。ゴールの影さえ遠い空へ滲んでく。風が運ぶのはまだ見ぬ空への期待。 Wind carries my heartbeat into the open sky. Every step turns the road ahead into a new ride. 春山のぬくもりが季節のページをめくり、残る冬をさらう光が夏への入り口を照らす。手のひらの温度が旅の合図になり、息を吸うたび心は澄んでゆく。光の先へ続く眩しい明日へ。
中はこんな感じになっています。お疲れ様でした。
朝日が輝きを連れて静かに尾根を越えてゆく。神脈の中でゆっくり浮かび上がる一日、抱えてた荷物過去の宝物たち。 風に吹かれて遠くへ消えた。人生は山の天気のように晴れたり曇ったりさ。暗いもん土の氷を胸いっぱい吸い込んで標識を探しながら歩く。高い場所が僕を呼んでいる。進み続けるさ。このトレイルを踏みしめて振り返りはしない。昨日はもう越えてきた。登山靴の紐を結び直し鼓動を感じながら新しい季節の風を受けただ前を目指すのさ。遠いゴールはわからない。でも歩んだ道は嘘をつかない。見失わなければきっとたどり着ける。過ぎてゆく時できないことも増えてゆくけど、それでもこの歩幅でいいよな。今を踏みしめてゆく。暖かな光の差すよ線へ、静かな世界の向こうへ進み続けるさ。風と岩を越えて飾りなんていらない。ただ確かな一歩、この山道の上で僕は僕のままで空の広さを感じながら今日登って明日へ
長かった。ようやく着いた。忘れ物。私も着いた。
Morning light upon your face, soft and quiet time and space. Every heartbeat finds its way back to you. Every day you're by my side, even silence feels alive. You're the calm when skies turn gray. You're my brighter day. You're the warmth that never fades, the song my heart forever plays. Every drop just speaks your name. Love remains the same. Through the silence, through the storm, your touch keeps my spirit warm. Every dream I chase will lead back to you. Back to you. Oh, back to you. Back to you. Back to you. Morning light upon your face. The world slows down in your embrace. Every heartbeat finds its way back to you.